Hi guys, it's Avas from 20 Startup. Today I'm gonna show you how to move text freely in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So simply open the Microsoft Word. Here you can see now I'm not able to move this text. So simply what you have to do, click on Insert tab. Now here you can see the option of text box. So click on text box and select any text box which you want. So first type text in it. So I'm going to type text in it. To move this text, you have to simply left click on top of the box and move where you want. And you can also increase the size. To increase the size of font, there you can see we can easily move text in Microsoft Word. So you can also move text freely by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.